let's see the ingredients. The ingredients for the smileys is salt. Salt we want only half spoon, it's your taste. And chili powder, even it's your taste. I took half spoon. Oregano 3 spoons. Then corn flour atta 3 spoons. Breadcrumbs 3 spoons. Then the oil 1 cup. This much. And I took a bowl for French fries. Then a potato, 1 potato. I peeled the potato and I kept in the water to be completely washed. And 3 potatoes, small, medium size. I just boiled this potato. Now let's start cooking. Now I'll show you how to cut the potato. See, one step. See, it's cut. Now this step. Now it's cut. Let us take the bowl. And now we have to keep for the magnification. You can keep in the fridge also. But I want to keep it outside. Now we'll add the ingredients. Salt a spoon. Then chili powder. Now we'll mix it well and keep it in the for magnification. Yeah, now it's mixed well. Let us go and keep it in the magnification. Now we'll make smileys. So we'll smash the potatoes. Now it's smashed well. Let us add the ingredients into that. Chili powder. Then comes the salt. Then corn flour atta. Then breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can take a bread and just grind into the mixie jar. Then oregano. I'm taking this one. You have to add 2 spoons, but I know how much to add, so I'm adding it like this. Now mix it well. Now it's mixed well. See, it should come like a chapati atta. See, like this. It should not be so watery. If it's water, you can add corn flour atta. Now let us make. So now I have a paper, means like a cover paper, and let us apply here. And a spoon oil. Let us apply. Yeah. Now we'll take this ball and just do like this. Yeah, this much is enough. Now this one will just make the smiley. See, so beautiful, and it looks so good. And if it's not able to do, you can just again just be continuing like this. See, like this. And again do it. Now again just press on it and like this. Now it's done. Let us make this smiley. I have a straw, or if you don't have a straw, you can just have a stick and roll it. And just make a pretty eyes. See the pretty eyes for them. Then the spoon to be covered like a smiley, and it's done. For everything you can be like continuing like that. Now the smileys are done. Now let us fry. Let us on and add into that oil. Now let us check. The oil is heated over. The oil is not heated. Till that be waiting. Now let's see the oil is hotter. Yeah, it's hotter. Now we'll add the French fries. Let's add the French fries. See how the bubbles are coming? So delicious it looks. It's homemade, not like other in the hotels we make. And the parents is not gonna waste their money. So easy and simple. Now it's cooked well. Let us receive in other plate. So golden and brownish. Now let's do the smiley one. Smiley one. See, it's cooked. Let us take and keep it. Then I have a sauce here. Let me taste. It's hot, but I want to taste. It looks delicious. Yummy. Smiley one. It's good. Please try it at home. It's very easy. And one more thing. Subscribe my channel, then like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.